You are relaxing at home when your phone begins vibrating with a barrage of alerts. A sudden digital attack can turn a peaceful afternoon into a state of panic. These feelings of fear and isolation are common reactions to online harassment. Aggressors often aim to create this specific sense of distress. You can regain control by following a 4-step framework. This protocol allows you to manage the aggressor's access to you and build an evidence file. Keep your device in hand and take a breath. We will go through the execution of these steps together. Handling cyberbullying effectively requires a systematic, actionable solution rather than a passive response. Step 1 is the tactical pause. Place your phone face down for 10 seconds to deliberately break the cycle of stress. You may feel an instinctive urge to type an angry defense or a counterattack. This graphic represents the need to stop that impulse. Emotional engagement gives the bully attention and often creates a more complicated two-way conflict. Avoid deleting the abusive messages immediately. Removing the thread prevents you from documenting the incident. Maintaining silence at this stage strips the aggressor of their leverage. For step 2, pick the device back up to secure the evidence. You will need to use your phone's screenshot function. Effective documentation requires capturing the full context. Cropping an image to show only the insult often removes the details needed for a formal review. You must include 3 key data points. Ensure the screenshot clearly displays the sender's username, the date, and the exact timestamp. Create an evidence folder in your photo app and move all screenshots there to keep them secure. Keep the original messages inside the app for now. They serve as primary source material if a school administrator needs to investigate the end. By completing these captures, you have converted a digital interaction into a structured file for review. Step 3 moves from documentation to immediate protection. Navigate to the aggressor's profile page. Most apps place safety tools within a settings menu. As shown here, you typically open the 3-dot icon, select Block User, and confirm the action. Use the block feature rather than a mute button. Blocking severs the digital connection entirely, which is necessary during active harassment. This split screen illustrates the immediate relief of a confirmed block. The alerts on the left are replaced by the silence on the right. Using the block feature removes the aggressor's ability to interrupt your day. Step 4 involves finalizing the protocol. Reporting the incident to a trusted adult ensures your personal safety is managed by your support system. Present your evidence folder to a parent, teacher, or counselor. This allows them to begin a formal response based on the data you collected. To review, you pause to stay calm, save the evidence, report by blocking the user, and get support from an adult. Speaking up about harassment is a practical way to resolve a digital threat. You now have a secured device and an informed group of adults helping you manage the situation. Following this systematic framework provides the tools to manage your digital safety and contributes to a more respectful environment for all students.